Hey up guys, happy Homebrew Wednesday from me, or Homebrew Weekly, whichever it may be. Today we're going to go back old school brewing with a Cooper's kit, a Cooper's Stout kit, a very highly rated kit, so I'm told, and the reviews I saw online. I picked it up half price for £6. It's running short dated, hence the reason why it was half price. But I've got a few extras in to pimp it up, bring it back to life, bit of a freshen up as you do. But it's going to be a keg filler, as Crew Wolf tells me, Mark Warburton. Right, what we're going to throw in, some dark spray malt, just 500 grams, just give it that body, that lacing, etc. We've got 300 grams of dark brown sugar. Just had this in the pantry, needs using up. Can't do no harm, surely. It'll bump the points up. I know. Black treacle. A lot of people use black treacle in these stout kits, so I'm sure that's going to work well and give that toffee lacing in the final product. The yeast, as we know, we get the standard Cooper's yeast. We don't want that. Windsor yeast. I have Windsor yeast knocking around in the fridge. A dark ale will bloody appreciate Windsor yeast, I know. Very good for stouts, porters, brown ales, etc. 4 days into fermentation. Cacao nibs, 125 grams. I'm going to sterilise a kiln jar today. Boil that up, throw these in, and then sterilise the cacao nibs. I don't mess around with vodka, me. Don't like it. I do love a drop of dark rum. Why not, eh? So we'll cover the cacao nibs up, shake the kiln jar every day for 4 days, and add it straight into the fermentation vessel. As you can see here, I'm going to be using the brew bucket. So it's not going to be a standard kit and kilo, as you know. It ain't going to be chucked straight in the fermenter and mixed around. I'm going to take my time with it, appreciate it. So I don't want it to be done in 10 minutes. On the stove, in a stock pot, mix it all together. Obviously, add the sugar first and the spray malt, treacle, and then the tin of Cooper's Stout. That's then going to go into my brew bucket, and then I've set aside 15 litres already from last night of just basic tap water, and there's a Camden tablet in there just to remove all the chlorine, what may be floating around. And that's it basically, guys. We'll pitch the yeast, we'll take a gravity reading beforehand, and I'll get a bit of footage for you. Probably come back again with some footage when I throw the cacao nibs in around about 4 days time. But all being well, we'll make sure we get a taster on the end of this video. Cheers, see you in a bit. Enjoy viewing. Ooh. Oh yeah. Amarillo smash, all grain. It's literally being drained out of the bucket now into the keg. Cold crash, it's bloody lovely. Cheers. Oh, right guys, 5 days now into fermentation. It's time to add the cacao nibs. Look at the colour on that now. At the end of the video you saw me top these up with the Captain Morgan's dark rum, and every day I vigorously shook these for about a minute. You know, just let the alcohol seep into the nibs and release all the chocolate earthy goodness we're after. And that's what it looks like now. So this is all going to get dumped into the brew bucket and then get left, you know, a good week. I think it's Tuesday now, so probably Monday next week I will put it into the keg and then force carb it up. It's not just the only addition though, because we're adding 30 grams of Styrian Goldings. This should complement it really well. Earthy spiciness, stout, dark chocolate rum. Bless you. So yeah, they're going into, and then obviously guys, Saturday night I will drop it down to around about 2 degrees, give it a right good cold crash before kegging. Let's bang them in. So guys, we'll go ahead and chuck the 30 grams of Styrian Goldings in first. Just click that. I'll go and get the nibs. Oh bloody hellfire. That smells amazing. Right, all going in. How thick it's got. You know what it smells like? Think of a rum and raisin ice cream. That's what it smells like. Right, see you at taste off. So there it is. Looks a mighty fine drop already, doesn't it? Cooper's Stout, kit to keg in around about 2.5 weeks, with a little help, with a few added extras. Now you do need smell-o-vision on this, guys, because that is smelling beautiful. Got a great aroma on there. Obviously, you've got your dark roasted malt, but there's almost of a slight, you know, like a mellow coffee underlining there. Big powerful of chocolate as well. I'm just going to go dive straight in, guys. Cheers. Oh. I don't know how many of them I'm going to sing tonight, but I'm sure there's going to be quite a few. I'm not going to work tomorrow, so I'm going to take advantage. This is a very, very nice drop. The cacao nibs have really given it a big, big chocolate punch. Don't really pick up no rum, which I soaked them in, obviously. But yeah, it's almost like a bitterness from the chocolate as well, what comes and gets you afterwards. But I think the main thing, what's taking it away, and what just lies there, is the black treacle. Bloody hell. It's like bonfire toffee. You eat bonfire toffee when you're a kid, maybe you still eat it now, who knows, but you get so much of that. You ever do a stout kit, guys, bang, black treacle in. It fair works, it really does. I'm sipping it down too fast, aren't I? 3.9% it finished out at. Forgot to mention that, which I'm more than happy with that. A good sessionable stout. I don't know how that compares to the Cooper's, you know, standard kit, because I don't think it told you what a final gravity should be, but I think the starting gravity was round about 1038 or something like that on the can itself, which, what did mine come out, 1046? I don't know, but anyway, 3.9% this one. Ugh. I'm going to have a few of these tonight, like I say. What my plan is for this, guys, I'm going to bottle quite a lot of them up. Got some swing tops, some glass swing tops, and I'm going to save them then till Christmas. Give them a good 5-6 months. End of the year, New Year's treat. I think that'll go down lovely. Because like I say, it's only been in the keg now 3 days. Been forced carbon it, obviously. But it's bloody nice now. After 3 days forced carbon, yes please. What it's going to be like in 5 months' time, be a winner, I know. The Styrian Goldings, you do pick up on them as well because you've got that lovely earthy spiciness. I think that might have come out of the cacao nibs as well. But that black treacle is a star, definitely, most definitely. Very nice. Final note, you're probably wondering where I got this recipe from for that. Obviously when I got this half price, I searched on here on YouTube for different ways how people have done this. And there's quite a few out there, let's be fair. But my recipe come from Dave at What's Brewing UK. Now, I used to watch Dave back in the day when I did kit beers. God bless him. Going out on his motorbike. I think in his last video he famously called himself a fat vegan, and I still laugh about that to this day, I really do. But Dave, he did this kit. He did it exactly the same as more or less what I did, but my addition was just the cacao nibs. Just throw my own little spin on it, but follow Dave's recipe because he said it was blinding. He said Santa wasn't getting none of it because it was that good. See, I had it at Christmas time. Dave don't do no YouTube videos anymore, obviously. I don't think no one really knows. Some people might know. If Dave's still with us, I really, you know, I don't know too much, guys. So, but Dave, wherever you are, my friend, that one's for you, buddy. Until next time, guys. Enjoy.